Abu, John Alvin. Everyone is asking, how did we survive long-distance relationship?
Abu, I know that our relationship is not the love story that you always dreamed of. We've been through many challenges and obstacles.
When you try your best but you don't succeed, and the tears come streaming down your face.
We've been through a lot of challenges. I was in the point of my life that everything seems hard for me. I'm hopeless and almost about to give up.
And ignite you home. And ignite you both.
I always remind her na nandito lang ako, na kaya mo yan. Hindi kita pababayaan.
To fix you.
Actually, it's you. It is you who always makes me feel secured and loved. You are always there to keep me sane and strong. You show me that love knows no distance.
Tears stream down your face.
I know hindi naging madali ang lahat sa atin, but still you stay. And kahit sa isang point ng relationship natin, never kang nag-give up. You really stayed and proved me the true love's way.
Lights will guide.
We did it, na survive natin lahat ng challenges na napagdaanan natin, and then ito, prepare talaga tayo ni Lord for this day, and sobrang thankful na ikaw yung makakasama ko habang buhay.
To fix you.
You may now kiss your wife.
We are college batchmates. Hindi kami magkaklase from different sections.
We don't know each other personally. We just know each other po by face lang. Abu, I know you want to make our memories to be captured. So here is a gift to help us create more travel. Talaga? Family and fun memories. So smile and take the first shot. I love you always and forever.
Abu, you have sacrificed a lot for our relationship. I always admire your patience, your efforts, despite the distance between us. We've made it to this day, Abu. Alam ko kung gaano mo pinigilan ng sarili mo para dito. Pinigilan din kita, syempre. But you deserve this, kaya from now on, we will be spending our time together. Better together, di ba? See you later. I love you.
You understand me, accept me in a way no one else has, in a way that I thought no one else can.
Today, they must say that I am the most blessed man because you married me. Hindi totoo yun. Dahil hindi lang ngayon yung blessing na binigay ni Lord sa akin. Dahil simula nung nakilala kita, nagkaroon ng kulay at direksyon ng buhay ko.
There's a rising
Ikaw yung naging dahilan kung bakit ako nagsusumikap sa buhay at patuloy na nangangarap. At nang dahil sa'yo, nakumpleto ako.
Where we're going, these dreams we're holding. Oh, and now we know it. All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
Abo, from this day forward, our forever starts. I will grow old with you and grow with you. I vow to be your best friend and your partner in crime.
This adventure we were meant for. Every day.
Pangako, araw-araw kong susubukin, hulihin ang timpla ng paborito mong kape, maaaring minsan matamis, minsan mapait, ngunit hindi ako magsasawa at mapapagod hanggang sa mahuli at makabisa ko yung timpla na gusto mo.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts. Through it all.
I vow that we will always have coffee dates. I vow to hug you to sleep and always kiss you goodnight. I vow that I will always be understanding and patient. I vow to be honest and faithful to you and to love you always and forever.
Yes, Abu, we did it. There will be no more good morning and good night messages. From this day onwards, we will be waking up right next to each other.
All the world is ours to take. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts. Through it all, the world we face. You and me will find a way. Oh, the wonder that awaits. Here we are, forever starts today.
With love in my heart, always by your side, till my last breath.